Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. Today I'm going to be showing how to disable cookie tracking in Microsoft Edge. While cookies may be great for storing certain passwords for websites and speeding up the internet experience, it definitely stores personal data and some people are not comfortable with that. So in this tutorial today, I'm going to be showing how to safely block cookie tracking in Microsoft Edge. So very simple. We're going to head over and first open up our Microsoft Edge browser. And then we're going to head to top right corner here and left click on the More Actions button or the three dot button, whatever you want to call it. At the bottom of the list here, left click on Settings. Scroll down to the bottom of this list here and then left click on View Advanced Settings. Scroll down again. Under Cookies, left click on this little drop down arrow, and now you have the option to either block all cookies or block only third-party cookies. Since we are trying to block all cookie tracking on Microsoft Edge, we're going to select the first option here where it says block all cookies. And at this point, we can click out of our advanced settings window and we should be good to go. So I hope this tutorial helped you guys out, and I will see you in the next video. Goodbye.